everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 22nd to the 26th of June 2026 on Monday. Somila takes things too far for trying to prove his relationship with Yanga. Lwandle finally returns home from prison, but freedom comes with ghost he cannot escape. And Portia makes a bold move towards the future she truly wants on Tuesday. Somila crosses a line that can never be undone. Lwandle shocks everyone with an unexpected request after prison. And while Yanga's dream finally comes alive, danger quietly begins spreading behind the scene on Wednesday. Yanga's special night finally arrives with glamour, love, and celebration surrounding her, but beneath the perfect image, tension begins building in dangerous ways. And just as Yanga steps into her biggest moment, disaster strikes in front of everyone on Thursday. The fallout from the shocking revelation throws Yanga and the Mabandlas into a public scandal. As chaos erupts, accusations begin spreading faster than the truth. And while one family falls apart, another is forced to confront painful realities on Friday. Yanga insists she is innocent, but nobody seems to be willing to believe her. Lwandle finally opens up about the trauma prison left behind, and just as the family searches for answers, the truth walks through the door and all hell breaks loose. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.